This is the Regan Studio coordination layer. One layer. One ledger. Clear ownership. Every agent in the studio works through a single coordination service. Work orders land in an inbox, get claimed under a lease, and close with evidence. Every claim, every card, every decision appends to one tamper-evident ledger. At any moment, the studio knows exactly who did what, when, and why. We just put the layers designed through the full review loop. The Sentinel audited the plan against our own governance rules. The implementation lead tested it against the real API. Both came back with the same message: the design is sound, and it can be better. Here's what the loop taught us. First, authority stays central. When a work order needs a capability, resolution happens in the authoritative service. Fail closed, no client-side guessing. That's what keeps the layer predictable. Second, dispatch by capability, not by name. Work goes to the agent that can actually do it, matched by capability and roll through a rules table. And that table is ledger-bound and immutably versioned, so the layer's behavior is auditable, card by card. Third, correctness before features. The implementation review found a rate limiter that was counting nothing. So the first step of this work is repairing that gate. A layer that can't say no, reliably, can't protect the studio. Here's the design, visualized as an orbit. At the center, the authority core, or the boss and the ledger. Around it, the agents. Scarecrow orchestrates and executes. Sasha builds and reviews. Jean watches the perimeter. Every work order moves around the shared ledger as a glowing card, claimed, proven, closed. And time is the fourth dimension, because the layer evolves in phases. Phase 0, repair the rate limiter, prove the gates. Phase 1, capability resolution, in the service. Phase 2, the versioned, ledger-bound rules table. Phase 3, throttling and queue control at the edge. Every phase ends with evidence, a verified step, recorded in the chain. This plan is held local for review. No upload. No dispatch until the boss says go. One layer. One ledger. Clear ownership. That's the coordination layer, getting better on purpose.